gonna practice vacuuming the carpet. So, I'm going to grab my vacuum. I'll find the power outlet. I'm gonna unravel the cord. Plug it in. And I'm gonna find the on button. I like to hold the handle with one hand and the cord with the other. I'm going to vacuum the entire carpet. Up and down. I'm going to go over it one more time, make sure it's nice and clean. And that's the other side. Up and down, or forward and back. One more time. Again, making sure it's nice and clean. I got all the dirt up off the carpet. Okay. Missed a spot over here. Okay. I'm going to turn it off. Unplug the cord, and I'm going to wrap this up. Just like this. Attach the top of the plug cord and put it back.